English speaking practice daily. That work we do every day. They are practice process is increased. Otherwise, our learning interest is increased. If we don't do daily basis practice, their regularity is not continuous. It is not going with the flow. Their learning duration is broken. So daily practice is very very important. As much you possible, every day you have to practice. Every day you have to speak English in yourself. If you don't have any partner, if you don't have any your environment, then you have to speak alone. Then you have to practice in regular basis. So speak English continuously, regularly. So many method is used when a learner goes to learn this language. There is studying practice, there is listening practice, there is reading practice, there is speaking practice. Many methods are applied to learn spoken English. So I have shared many method in my video. Which method is very easy to you? You can apply it. It can be reading process, it can be studying process, and it can be process. It can be real conversation process. So that way will be easy. You can take it. So without practice, without open your mouth, you would not speak a single sentence. Every person has minimum vocabulary, minimum basic grammar knowledge, but they understand English, but they can't speak. It is very common and first barrier in the spoken English purpose. So at first we have to open our mouth to speak English. Without opening your mouth, you will not speak a single sentence. Using by your method and to speaking habits in yourself, using any kind of technique, your mouth will be trained and your all muscles of your mouth will be easy. Your brain will be habituate with this language. Your mind will be flow with English language. So gradually our fear, our shyness will be gone too far. Our hesitation will be elevated. So without practice, without trying to speak, we would not be a perfect English speaker. So if you want to learn spoken English, if you want to be a fluent in this language, definitely you have to open your mouth. You have to start your journey. You have to do practice regular basis in yourself. If you don't have a partner, if you don't have a your environment, at first you have to throw this kind of hesitation from you. So spoken English is not a rocket science. Spoken English is not a hard subject. If we think that it is not my business, spoken English is very hard. I would not learn this language. Definitely, you will not learn this language in your journey. At first, you have to think that yes, they can speak English. He is speaking English. Then why am I not? Yes, I believe that you have to bring confidence in yourself. Without confidence, without self confidence, you will be not grown. You will be not taken a chance to learn this language. So I have shared my little bit experience in my previous videos. I have learned this language in this way. My all experience is sharing with you. If you want to learn spoken English, if you want to be a good English speaker, definitely you can try like me. And to learn spoken English, you can follow this technique. I was zero level. I never thought that I would learn spoken English in my future. But after learning this language, huge pleasure I am getting in this journey. And my confidence has been developed. My fear has been gone far. So if you believe that your confidence is high, your your intention is very deep, you have to learn spoken English at any cost. So don't waste your time. Start now. This time, right time. That word I would say every time. If this video is minimum valuable to you, if you find minimum motivation from this video to get like more videos from me, like, comment, and subscribe Do your valuable comment in the comment box. Which type of videos, which type of experience I can share with you. They are following these tips. You can grow your journey. You can grow your ability to learn this language. So that what I would say every time. Stay good, stay healthy, and stay with me. So see you in the next video.